faded, passion burning.
Alright, what is up guys? So the second item from Wish came. It's this OMP knockoff toe strap. I don't recommend towing with this, but I got it from Wish. It's an app that sells parts for cheap. It's like eBay but even cheaper. So this is sick. Let's put it onto the EP3. It's 2005 Honda Civic SI EP3. I'm hoping to maybe put it on the left side. I'm not sure yet, but I'll show you guys. Let me just take off the bumper. Let's get right into it. Alright, so all you need to do, so it's just these 4 pop clips. Not these, not the 4. Those are for the grill, so don't touch those. These 4 top ones, and then on the fender there's 2 side bolts, and you just gotta remove your side clips. I've taken off this bumper so many times. It's broken all underneath. It doesn't really matter for me, but it'll just help you get started. If you guys really want, I can send you a link to a person that already took off the bumper. But I'm just gonna take this bumper off really quick, and we can get to the actual installing of the tow hook. Alright guys, so I got the bumper off, as you can see down there. Looks super cool, but it's not a drift car. I'm actually gonna install the tow strap over here. I'm not sure exactly where, but once I figure it out, I'll keep you guys updated. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so we found a place. So this is the crash beam. I'm not sure if the European like Type R's and stuff like that have it, but the US models do. It's a regulation. Okay, it's just burping. But there's a hole right here, and it's a little bit smaller than the thread for the bolt for the tow hook. So and there's an opening right here, as you can see my finger. So I'm just gonna bolt it back, and that's super easy. So here's a time lapse of that. I'm an EP3. When are you gonna flip? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked that install of the tow strap. It looks amazing. Peace out, and let your passion drive you. See you guys in the next one.